Hi guys, it's Colette, and today I'm going to be doing my very first peel of the Madame Glam Peel Off Base Coat. As you just saw, I did lose the polish off of one nail, but other than that, this has worn surprisingly well. I really wasn't trying to get my hopes up because I didn't want to be disappointed, but I originally applied this manicure Sunday afternoon. It's now the following Saturday evening, so almost a full week, and this is really the only problem. And I think this was kind of due to my own application. I had a gel repair that was a little bit cracked, and that's where the polish ended up lifting. I think that was on like Tuesday, and I stuck it back down with a little bit more peel off base coat and then did a fresh layer of top coat. But I still managed to lose it at some point on Wednesday while I was out and about. Somebody at the library may find a very beautiful peely, but the other nails all held really well, and now it's time to see how well they come off. And honestly, they've held so well that if I hadn't lost that one nail, I'd be a little nervous about how well it was going to come off. But I think this should peel pretty nicely as I get started on the pinky here. And yeah, that's a really clean peel. Came off pretty easily. You know, just getting it started at the side is not difficult. It's a little harder than with the UNT Ready for Takeoff. But overall, that's really simple. Like I said, it was holding so well that I was almost skeptical how well it was going to peel off. But right now, I'm really rating this highly. A lot better than Ready for Takeoff. Just because, at least for me, it's lasted a lot longer than I can normally get that to last. I mean, with Ready for Takeoff, 3 or maybe 4 days is the max. And even at that point, I'm usually dealing with a few chips or a few nails that have popped off on their own. And in this case, I was really pretty impressed overall. Now, this manicure was using gel polish, was actually done with other Madame Glam products, so I still have yet to test it with normal polish. But for this very first time, I'm pretty impressed. This one is a little bit more stubborn than the others, but I think I'm still going to be able to get it off in one piece. And then I've just got a couple more to go here. So let me know down in the comments if you want another video just focusing on how this peels with regular polish. Otherwise, I'll probably just like update you guys in a regular video. So there we go. I mean, only 9. Like I said, I lost that one, but I really do feel like that was due to my own negligence. And as far as like any residue on the nail, a lot of times with the Ready for Takeoff, I'd feel like I had a lot of kind of gooey or sticky residue left. And if you can see here, there's not really anything left on my nail or any leftover polish. Although, I mean, it was gel polish, so I was being very careful with my application. We'll see if that holds true with regular polish, but I'm pretty pleased with this purchase and looking forward to how it holds up with other types of manicures. Hope you guys enjoyed this peel. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and if I can answer them, I will. But I hope you enjoyed this little demo, and as always, thanks for watching. P.S. Just a couple other things I wanted to mention. I realized that my nails were looking really dry, and some people might think that was damage from the peel-off base. So I wanted to just show you after a little bit of cuticle oil, my nails are not damaged at all. They're actually in really good shape for me right now, although both of my index nails do have patches. And I did also want to mention, as far as Valentine's Day nail art, I'm going to try and get up I'm planning on 3 designs. I didn't plan on this being my Sunday video because honestly I thought this peel off probably would only last a few days and this would be up midweek. But since I'm putting this up on Sunday, expect a midweek Valentine's Day design, then another one the following Sunday, and then I'll try to squeeze in one more before the 14th. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you have those notifications turned on if you don't want to miss anything. And again, thanks for watching.